I'd love you to think about identifying three traits of the person you want to be right now and share one of those with us that's meaningful to you and how it may help you show up in the life. Grab something to write on and write it down. And then identify two or three places in your daily life that you can write these down and have reminders before you go into each meeting.
Gary, the first word that pops into mind for me is fearless. To live as if people are not going to judge the things that I do, even though they will, because it's part of our human makeup. But to go out there and truly live without, not without fear, rather, but without inviting it into my house to stay. It can come as a guest, but it won't stay for too long. And where I will down is on my sticky note on my laptop. I also have a fridge whiteboard that I'm going to go and write that word down after this workshop ends in about 20 minutes. Thank you for igniting that idea.